Hello, this is March Order. March Order is a turn-based strategy game where you discover how the fantasy elements of today came to be. Discover, explore, and battle through a mystical world as you create and lead your very own personalized squad through dangerous challenges. The core gameplay loop of March Order is beginning on an expedition. From there, you get to pick the location that you wish to discover and explore. With that, you must gear up your soldiers. Once that happens, you will enter into the location, where you'll do most of your fighting and gathering resources and information. With every resource or piece of information that you gain, there may be cutscenes that you discover. Once that is completed, you then return to camp, which you may start to build buildings and customize your camp. From there, you have an overview of everything that was discovered and any enemies that you defeated. Then from there, you get feedback on any discoveries that you have. The deep lore of the game is truly shown in this section. From there, you get to rank up soldiers and spend skill points on special skills. From there, your expedition is complete, and you can begin to look for a new expedition to go on. March Order is unique because it boasts unbelievable customization, cutscenes for every discovery you make, and in-depth strategy that makes long-lasting impacts within the game. You can also team up with friends to take on the game with special events and new foes within the multiplayer mode. March Order is a step towards truly personalized and unique gaming experiences filled with meaningful encounters that feel impactful. We hope to see you playing soon.